Documentation beats conversation, and today I've got proof. Universities are rewriting the playbook with AI degrees. If your child's program doesn't adapt, their career path could expire. Happy Feature Friday! I'm Imani, your career coach. I'm here to help you rise above the noise, stand out above the rest, build the skills that matter in this new AI era, and land your dream job. On this channel, you'll get real tips, interview prep strategies, and hacks I've picked up that make a huge difference. Basically, I'm here to walk with you through the process so you don't have to figure it out alone. Before we dive deeper, take a second to like this video so more job seekers can find it, and subscribe so you don't miss the next series. This week, the University of North Carolina at Charlotte announced brand new AI degree programs launching in 2026. And here's the reality: they are not the first, and they won't be the last. Right now, only about 20 universities in the US offer dedicated undergraduate AI degrees, and about 35 offer master's degrees. That's still rare, which makes these new credentials highly competitive. So, what happens to students already in college today, or those graduating in 2026? The founder of videoassessment.org, my boss Charnice Lanier, has a son who is one of them. He's on track to graduate as a civil engineer in 2026. Students like him are caught right in the middle. Their diplomas will land at the same time that AI graduates are hitting the workforce. If they don't pivot, they'll be competing at a disadvantage. Parents, imagine paying tuition for 4 years, thinking your child's degree is secure, only to watch colleges roll out AI-enhanced versions of that very same degree right before your child graduates. That's the situation we're now facing. And that's why documentation matters. This isn't speculation, it's official. Colleges didn't just wake up yesterday and decide AI matters. Artificial intelligence has been advancing for decades. But only now, under pressure from industry demand and employer expectations, are institutions scrambling to catch up. What does that mean? It means students who started college in 2022, 2023, or 2024 may be graduating with degrees that already look outdated on the job market. Let's pause here and look at 3 examples. First, UNC Charlotte. Their announcement of AI-focused degree programs beginning in 2026 is groundbreaking for the region. They're layering artificial intelligence into computer science, engineering, and even interdisciplinary tracks. Why? Because employers in North Carolina are demanding AI-literate graduates. The banking sector in Charlotte, the healthcare hubs, the energy companies, all of them are racing to integrate AI into their operations. UNCC had no choice but to pivot, and they finally made it official. Second, Stanford University. Stanford has been at the forefront of AI research for decades. But in the past year, they've expanded their AI Institute into dedicated undergraduate pathways. This isn't just computer science with electives. This is a full-fledged AI study. Machine learning, ethics, policy, and application rolled into degree programs that employers will recognize immediately. Stanford students graduating with these degrees will stand out above peers from schools that lag. Third, Houston Community College. You may think AI degrees are only for elite institutions, but that's not the case. HCC has already launched workforce-oriented AI certificates tied directly to the local industry. Students can graduate with stackable credentials in machine learning, data science, and applied AI. These programs are designed for speed, getting students into jobs where employers are desperate for talent. That's the future. Not just four-year universities, but community colleges joining the pivot. Now let's connect the dots. These announcements prove a clear truth. AI degrees are not a what if. They're happening. And if your child's program doesn't include AI, their career path could stall before it begins. So, what does this mean for students graduating in 2026? It means urgency. It means students like Sharnice's son, talented, hardworking, about to graduate in a respected field, now face a moving finish line. Civil engineering has always been in demand. But when younger students graduate in 2030 with AI enhanced civil engineering degrees, they will have a competitive edge in modeling, predictive maintenance, and smart infrastructure. To stay ahead, 2026 graduates must pivot now, adding AI training before the next wave enters the market. Here's the bigger picture. Every industry will see this shift. Accounting is evolving into a financial AI strategy. IT support is turning into cybersecurity and cloud AI management. Journalism is becoming digital media and AI enhanced storytelling. Healthcare is expanding into health informatics and AI driven patient analysis. Even marketing and HR are being reshaped by AI powered analytics and automation. Parents and students, here's the good news. You are not powerless. Even if your child just started a program, or even if they're halfway through, they can pivot. Pair their existing degree with a certificate or course in AI. If they're in business, add Google's data analytics certificate. If they're in healthcare, add a health informatics program from Johns Hopkins. If they're in marketing, stack a Meta social media marketing certificate with an AI strategy. If they're in HR, take courses in people analytics and responsible AI. So, what can civil engineers do to stay ahead? Start stacking AI courses in predictive modeling, smart infrastructure, and generative design. MIT OpenCourseWare offers free classes in data-driven urban systems. Coursera has civil engineering data analytics programs, and Autodesk offers certifications in AI-driven design software. Pairing these with a traditional civil engineering degree turns you from just a builder into a smart city innovator employers can't ignore. This is the lifeboat. The degree they're pursuing may not be enough by itself, but stacked with AI-related skills, it becomes powerful again. Employers don't just want graduates, they want adaptable, AI-ready leaders. So let's ask the tough questions. Parents, what happens to your child if their major is outdated the day they graduate? Will they be ready for the AI era? Or will they be left holding a degree that recruiters quietly bypass? Students, what happens if you ignore this shift? Are you prepared to compete with classmates who stacked AI certifications on top of their degrees? Or will you find yourself applying for jobs that no longer exist? Here's the truth. Survival in the workforce is no longer about access to education. It's about strategy. Free tuition, scholarships, or even elite institutions mean little if the degree itself is obsolete. So what do? You act now. You pivot before 2026. You stack AI-related skills on top of your degree, creating a unique, future-proof profile. If you're getting value from this, hit the like button so more job seekers, college students, and parents can find it. And subscribe right now, because staying informed is the first step to staying ahead. Let me leave you with this alarming fact. According to PwC, AI is expected to add $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030. But that wealth will not be evenly distributed. It will flow to the people who adapt fastest. So here's your action step. Parents, Comment below with your child's major and graduation year. I'll point you toward AI certificates and courses that can make their degree future-proof. Students, comment with your current field, and I'll suggest the AI skills to stack right now. Don't just celebrate free tuition. Don't just trust old degree plans. Ask the hard questions. Demand the pivot. Because waiting until 2026 is already too late. This is Feature Friday, and the proof is in the documentation. AI degrees are here, and the pivot has already begun. I'll see you tomorrow.